To produce my media product, I have used a variety of digital technologies and software, such as Blogger, using an SLR camera, editing programs such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Blogger is a website which allows users to create their own space and post text, images, videos, and whatever they desire. It is an easy way to upload my media coursework and share it with the rest of my classmates. The work can be easily accessible to anyone at any time, and I could re-edit and update my work whenever, which is a great advantage to printing out work and storing it in a folder. I have learned how to use the site efficiently. I can change the layout and background of my work, create a poll on my blog, and edit the rest of my work on how I want it. From using Adobe Photoshop, I have experimented with most of the tools for editing pictures, such as cropping, adding filters, changing their colors, adjusting the contrast, adding shadows, and many more. From using the program and all its tools, my images resulted in looking professional, as everything was touched up slightly to make it look more appealing to the eye. Photoshop has allowed me to really experiment with different editing techniques, to really make the photos come alive and appear to be the best they could. On Photoshop, I have used the quick selection tool in order to select the area I would like to delete. This is how I remove the background and use the foreimage on the top of different images. This was a skill which was really convenient to learn, as it is less time consuming than having to take the perfect picture and not being able to edit the background. I have also used the eyedropper tool, which helped me maintain the color scheme intact and organized instead of having a different tone of color throughout the construction of my magazine. Using Illustrator, I mainly constructed the layout and content page of my magazine. I have learned how to structure all the text to make the magazine look realistic and professional. Additionally, I have learned to use the slice tool. The slice tool divides the artwork into separate web images. I have learned how to use different fonts complementing each other, also playing around with colors, boldness, lines, and shapes to make the text stand out. It has helped me to broaden my knowledge on how to present a magazine and allowed me to freely change anything, which could be undone easily, so that I have the structure I have started with. I have also used the SLR camera to capture my images, which resulted in high quality and resolution images, giving the magazine a sense of professionalism. I have incorporated some rules I have learned about photography, such as using the rule of thirds, adjusting the setting, adjusting the shutter speed, which all helped me to take better photos. The privileges of using SLR cameras helped me to understand how to manual one, so that the images can be viewed straight away and edited much more easily. They are also much higher quality as a better resolution. Moreover, I have learned how to set up a studio and carry out all the planning involved, such as what lighting is best, and everything has to be taken into consideration to produce high quality images.